Welcome back to Advent, where we not only work on the advent of new chemistries, but also play our humble role in disseminating knowledge and nuggets of information related to chemistry and chemical, pharmaceutical and allied industries. Continuing with our Masterclass series, today I will touch upon liquid chromatography grade solvents or different grades of solvents used in various liquid chromatography applications. Let us get started. Just a recap, as you all know, chromatography is a technique used to separate and analyze components of a mixture and used in chemistry, biology and various industries to isolate, identify and quantify substances. The basic principle involves passing the mixture through a medium or a stationary phase where different components move at different rates leading to their separation. Some of the main chromatography terms, as we know, number one is analyte, that is the substance or the mixture that is to be separated in chromatography. Second is the stationary phase, which is a fixed and immobilized medium that can be a solid or a gel that interacts differently with the components of the mixture. Another important term is mobile phase, which carries the mixture through the stationary phase. It can be a liquid or a gas which moves the components along and help them separate based on their affinities and interaction with the stationary phase. Some other terms that we use are sample preparation, sample injection, separation, detection and data analysis. I am not going to the instrumentation part due to the paucity of time. There are various types of chromatography. The first one is thin layer chromatography, where a thin layer of stationary phase is coated on a glass plate, and the mobile phase can be a solvent or mixture of solvents, and this chromatography is used for quick and qualitative analysis. Second is gas chromatography, where the mobile phase is gaseous and it is used to separate and analyze volatile compounds. Third is liquid chromatography, where the mobile phase is a solvent or a solvent mixture, and this chromatography is suitable for wide range of compounds including those that are non-volatile. The most known form we use is high performance liquid chromatography or HPLC, which is the refined version of liquid chromatography that offers high resolution, speed and sensitivity for separating, identifying and quantifying the components of a liquid mixture. HPLC is particularly valued in research, industry and quality control for its precision and efficiency. On the other hand, HPLC has several variations and advanced forms, including related hyphenated techniques that are tailored for specific applications and performance improvements, each with its unique setups and capabilities. Some of them are, for example, preparatory HPLC, which is used for isolating and purifying larger amount of compounds. Second is ultra high performance liquid chromatography, also called UHPLC, which is aimed at improving separation efficiency, speed and sensitivity compared to conventional HPLC. Third is liquid chromatography mass spectrometry, also called LCMS, which combines the separation power of liquid chromatography with that of detection and identification capabilities of mass spectrometry. Next is ultra liquid chromatography mass spectrometry, which is an advanced form of LCMS that pairs UHPLC with MS to improve resolution, speed and sensitivity. The last one is LCMS-MS, which is an advanced form of LCMS, where two MS analyzers are used in sequence for greater specificity. If we see the schematic diagram of HPLC instrumentation, whatever be the variations, the most important component is the mobile phase, which moves the analytes along the stationary phase, which is part of the HPLC column, and helps them separate depending on the affinities and interactions with the stationary phase. Obviously, the quality of the mobile phase, be it a solvent or solvent mixture, and its choice will determine the success of chromatographic applications, whatever be the variations, be it prep HPLC, HPLC, UHPLC, ULCMS, LCMS or LCMS-MS. The next and the most important point is, what are the criteria of choosing the mobile phase or a solvent? The first criterion is purity. The solvent must be of highest purity without any contaminant, so that it does not produce noise or baseline drift, and this is an important criterion for gradient elution program. Second is compatibility. The solvent must be compatible with the stationary phase. It must elute analytes without degrading the stationary phase, and it should also be compatible with a detector. It should have low UV absorbing impurities or high UV transmittance at the wavelengths of interest, and this particular parameter is very important for all variations of HPLC, be it normal HPLC, UHPLC, ULCMS, LCMS, etc. Third is low particle content. The solvent must be free of particulate contaminants to avoid clogging or blockages of the column, very important for prep HPLC, UHPLC or ULCMS. Next is miscibility. Solvents for gradient elution must be completely miscible to form uniform mobile phase so as to give consistent separation performance. Some other factors like viscosity. Solvents should have low viscosity to flow easily through the column. pH stability. When used with buffers, solvents should not alter the pH of the mobile phase, and stable pH is needed to maintain consistent retention time and reproducibility. Besides, solvents boiling point should be appropriate for HPLC system's operating temperature, and it should dissolve samples effectively to get sharp peak and good resolution. And above all, environmental and safety considerations should be taken into account. Advent has a basket of different grades and wide range of liquid chromatography solvents customized for specific applications, be it prep HPLC, gradient HPLC, UHPLC, LCMS or ULCMS, etc. Besides number of HPLC solvents in our range, which are all available in our website, two of our most common solvents are acetonitrile and methanol, which are available in all possible liquid chromatography grades. Pack sizes start from 1 liter, 2.5 liter, 4 liters, glass bottles to SS drums 25 liter, 50 liter and 200 liters. As we go up from normal HPLC to gradient HPLC to ULCMS or gradient premium, there is gradations in quality, and different parameters such as purity, non-volatile matter, moisture content, gradient performance and LCMS suitability become more stringent, making the product suitable for respective intended applications. One of the most sought after HPLC grade is our gradient premium grade, which is packed in easy to use 4 liter glass bottle and which is ideal for all high end applications because of its high UV transmittance, optimum gradient performance, low non-volatile matter, low moisture content, and above all the product is tested for LCMS suitability and the residue analysis done by proton NMR. In summary, I have covered today different grades of solvents used in liquid chromatography and the criteria for choosing them. Please contact our sales colleagues and channel partners for your requirements of these liquid chromatography solvents, and in case of any query, please get back to us. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to share and subscribe for more insightful contents. Thanks for watching. Until next time, stay tuned, stay curious and keep exploring the wonders of chemistry. Thank you.